Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear students and welcome to a new lesson of English, lesson number 7. In this lesson we'll learn how to write a leaflet and how can we put or give some pieces of advices to other people. Let's do the first task number A. Look at the leaflet, work with a partner and answer the questions below. If we look at the picture on the right, we can see a 1-liter jar which is full of tobacco tar. Yeah. What is the story of this jar? We don't know, but if we read, we can know the story of it. Is that what goes into my lungs? Yes. The nasty black stuff in this 1-liter jar is tobacco tar. If you smoke a packet of cigarettes per day for a year, this is what you will put into your lungs. At the end of the year, you will have coughed up some of it, but some will stay in your lungs. It's a disaster. Tar is useful, we make roads with it, but do you want it inside you? Do you want tar inside your body, in your lungs? Oh, it's awful. So here we have to avoid smoking, we have to give up smoking if we are smokers. Yes, here we have some questions. Number 1. How does the writer make smoking unattractive? Number 2. Which statistic has the writer used on the cover of the leaflet? And number 3. Do you think the leaflet is effective? Is it effective or not? And why? You have to give the reason behind your opinion. Let's do the first one. How does the writer make smoking unattractive? The writer makes smoking unattractive or awful by using a horrifying picture, and by reminding us that one of the substances in cigarettes is tar, and this substance is also used on roads. So this description is awful. Number 2. Which statistic has the writer used on the cover of the leaflet? Here, the writer has used on the cover of the leaflet this statistics. I mean, smoking 1 packet of cigarettes per day for a year means that 1 liter of tar goes into your lungs. And this number is terrible. Number 3. Do you think the leaflet is effective? Why or why not? Here you can answer your questions, my dear students. If you have been affected by this leaflet or not. So here some of you are influenced by this leaflet and others are not. So here you can give your opinion yourselves, and after that you can give the reason. Number B. Read the 3 extracts below Which one do you think is from the next page of the leaflet? The first extract is: most tar is made from coal, but it can also be made from petroleum or wood. Although tar is usually considered to be toxic, it's also used for the treatment. The second extract is: so is not it time to stop smoking? So isn't it time to stop smoking? It's important to make this decision to stop for yourself. You should also tell your friends and family that you're giving up as. The third extract is: by the time you're 70 years old, you will have taken around 600 million breaths. The basic function of the lungs is to take carbon dioxide and exchange it. Now, after reading the three texts or the three extracts, we have to decide or to give the answer to the previous question. Which one of these extracts do you think is from the next page of the leaflet? So here, the second one is from the next page of the leaflet. Extract number 2 is from the next page of the leaflet. So, isn't it time to stop smoking? It's important to make the decision to stop for yourself. You should also tell your friends and family that you are giving up as. So this is extract number 2 is from the next page of this leaflet. After that, let's move to workbook practice number 1 on page number 21. Here we have this exercise number A. Think of problem or issue for a leaflet. It can be one of the topics from lesson 6. Plan your leaflet, make notes about the following. Here we want to make a leaflet as the previous one, but the topic of this leaflet will be different from the previous. But here, if we want to make any leaflet, we have to put into our consideration the following tips. Number 1, the text on the cover. Think of a short, effective question or statement to attract the reader's attention. So here we have to draw the reader's attention. Number 2, the kind of pictures or photographs you could use. We have to support our information by using some pictures, photographs, and charts sometimes. Number 3, the kind of statistics or other information you want to use. Here we have to use statistics, figures, numbers to support our ideas also. And finally, number 4, the advice you can give to help solve the problem. Here we have to solve the problem. We have to put some solutions to the problem discussed in this leaflet. Use language for giving advice from lesson number 6. So here we can put this picture. If we want to talk about running water and waste water, and how can we save or conserve water, we can put this picture, this photo, on the cover of this leaflet, and it's so good. As we can see, turn it off. Turn the tab off. Don't let it on. And we have also this statement. A running tap uses 9 liters of water a minute. A running tap uses 9 liters of water every minute. Here we have to draw the reader's attention to this fact and tip. And also we can say water is precious. Water is precious. Water has a very valuable state. And finally we can say don't waste it. Don't waste water. Inside this leaflet we can put the following. Yes, did you know? Here we can put in at the beginning, did you know? And we put this piece of information. A tap that drips just per second wastes 27,000 gallons of water annually. So if we let any tap turn on, it wastes 27,000 gallons of water every year. So you should turn taps off. I will repeat it again. A tap that drips just per second wastes 27 gallons of water annually every year. So you should turn taps off. It's better. It's a good idea to save water because, as we have said earlier, water is so precious, is valuable. Water is valuable. My dear students, if you want to talk about any other topics like accidents, like for example an environment, like the beautiful of your country, for example, the beauty of your country, you can use the same steps we have used in this leaflet, and you can support your sentences, ideas by adding some photographs, pictures and charts to this leaflet. So at this point we can conclude our lesson because this lesson is so short, and I hope I can see you in the following lesson. So now I want to see to every student of you goodbye, and I want to remind you of something which is so important, which is time. Time is gold. Don't waste it. Don't waste your time, my students. Study hard. I wish you can get your goal in the future. You can achieve your purposes in the future. And finally, goodbye.